Once you've logged into Pipeline and selected the GPS icon, you'll see your GPS degree audit. GPS stands for Graduation Progress System. GPS shows a degree audit based upon your major, course history, and current enrollment. GPS updates overnight from your enrollment history, so if you've added or dropped a course today, the change won't typically be visible in GPS until the following day. When you log into GPS, you'll see your main worksheet with your name and ID at the top. Your student view will show you all of your basic information, including your overall GPA, your degree, your major, and your credits earned. Please note that the credits earned here do not include any in-progress coursework. This student has had 9 credits before this semester. Going on, you'll see the main requirements for any Associate of Science degree at Butler. We require 15 credit hours to be taken at Butler. A green checkbox indicates that that has been met. A 2.0 GPA is also required at Butler. If your GPA falls below a 2.0, this box will not be checked. A prerequisite box will be listed if there are any prerequisites for a course in your degree. The prerequisite courses do not count towards your actual degree or your credits earned towards your degree, but they must be taken in order to take other classes in your degree. If you feel that the prerequisite listed is not a requirement for you, please contact advising. This student has a prerequisite for college algebra listed. Once he takes the prerequisite, the courses will be checked off in the prerequisite course box. This student's major is business administration. 61 credits are required for this degree. In-progress courses are factored into the 61 credit hours in this degree. The credits earned here is 20, but that would go down if the student dropped the course. This student is enrolled in courses towards their degree. In-progress courses are noted with a blue tilde. Satisfied requirements are noted with a green checkbox. Ag 102 is an in-progress course that is not counting towards the program of study. In-progress courses not counting in a program of study may not be fundable through federal financial aid. Please contact financial aid for more details if you are in a course that is not counting in your program of study. Any course that is not counting in a program of study could potentially be petitioned. Please contact academic advising for more details. Going further into the degree audit, you'll see all of the in-progress courses. These are the courses you are currently enrolled in for any current or future terms. And finally, any developmental courses will list in the bottom section. These courses may be fundable through federal financial aid, but are not counting towards your degree. This concludes our GPS tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact academic advising or the registrar's office.